Hello everyone, another quick demonstration video of the All-in Options Trading Journal and how exactly you want to use it. And today I just want to speak about entering a strategy with combined legs. So for example, a straddle or a strangle, an iron condor with 4 legs. How do we enter that into our spreadsheet? First of all, and that is very important, we do not enter the legs of a strategy separate on different rows. We enter the strategy as a whole on one row only. So let's take a look here at the iron condor of Apple that I've entered here as an example. So just on one row, I enter the complete 4 legs of the iron condor. I will not detail the legs separately. I will mention the different legs and the strike prices in the strategy description, but I will just enter one premium received in this case for the whole of the 4 legs, being the iron condor as a whole. It's very important that you understand that is the intent on how the spreadsheet was created. It's also important to do the follow-up, that you enter it just as one strategy on one row. Otherwise you will no longer be able to use the recommended position actions, because they will mention actions on the different legs of a combined strategy, and that is not how the spreadsheet was intended to work. The spreadsheet is not a detailed follow-up of the different legs, but we do a combined follow-up of the different strategies. That's all for this short video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.